Good morning, dear students. Myself, Dr. Pavani, Assistant Professor, Department of Entomology, Agriculture College, Ashwarapet. In today's class, we are going to learn about different types of antennae which are present in insects. So, antennae are the sensory organs present in the second segment of the head of the insect, and they are present in front of or in between the compound eyes. They are present in almost all the nymphs and adults, except they are all absent in Protura and some endopterygiid larvae. So their main function is they perceive the smell, they help in hearing and also act as tactile organs. And so they act as the sensory organs in the insects. So the typical structure of insect antennae, it consists of three parts. They are the scale, pedicel and flagellum. So this is the elongated first segment of the antennae. The pedicel is the smallest second segment, which is small in size, and the remaining segments from third segments onwards, they are together called as the flagellum. And here different types of insects possess different types of antennae based on the function. So let us see what are the various types of antennae present.
We have various types of insect specimens in our lab. Let us remove the antennae from each insect and see how it appears under trinocular microscope.
So here you can see the setaceous antennae. In cockroach, you can see the setaceous antennae. Now I have removed the antennae from the cockroach and kept it under the microscope. So you can see the segments gradually decrease in size from base to the apex and thus forming a whip-like structure. So such type of antennae are seen in cockroaches and are called as setaceous antennae.
So different types of antennae are present in different insects. This is filiform antennae, that means thread-like antennae seen in grasshoppers. Here the segments are more or less uniform throughout from base to the apex and never ends with a bristle. Such type of antennae are seen in grasshoppers.
So this is pectinate type of antennae present in female arctid moth. Here you have lateral process on one side of the antennae giving a comb-like appearance. So pectinate antennae seen in female arctid moth. So bipectinate or double comb-like. So you can see in male lime-antid moth or silk moth where the lateral process are present on both the sides giving a double comb-like appearance. So here you can see clearly the double comb appearance, that is bipectinate type of antennae. So this is clavate antennae or clubbed antennae seen in butterflies. So the segments gradually increase in diameter forming a club-like appearance at the tip. So gradually increase in diameter and they form a club-like at the tip. So they are seen in butterflies called as clubbed antennae or clavate antennae. Clubbed with knob. So here you can see the segments gradually increase in size and the terminal segments suddenly increase or enlarge forming a knob-like structure. And such type of antennae are seen in blister beetles. So this is clubbed with knob. So the next type of antennae is geniculate antennae. This is seen in ants and honeybees. Here the scape is elongated and the flagellum makes an angle with the scape. So this is the geniculate antennae. You can see it in ants and honeybees. So it makes an angle.
So the next type of antennae is aristid type of antennae. It is seen in housefly. It is three segmented antennae, microscopic, and on the third segment you can see a small hairy bristle-like structure called as arista, and it is seen in housefly.
So the next type of antennae is lamellate or leaf-like antennae. You can see it in rhinoceros beetles, chafer beetles. See here the terminal segments expand into one side into oval leaf-like structures. So lamellate antennae are seen in rhinoceros beetles.
Moniliform antennae. Moniliform antennae is seen in termites. It appears like a string of beads. You can see it in termites. So next type of antennae is seen in female mosquito. It is pilose type, that means brush-like with sparse hairs. Each hole contains less number of hairs, whereas in male mosquito you can see plumose type. So for today's class assignment, observe the insect antennae, pluck out the antennae and prepare a chart. Thank you.